How can you train yourself to go to sleep quickly like they do in the military? I served in the military very early on in my life, and we were taught a simple technique that I use to this very day. I can sleep anywhere and at any time of the day or night, regardless of noise or light. It involves no medication whatsoever, but it does take practice. Lie down or sit back and close your eyes. Now inhale as deeply as you can and count as you are inhaling the air. Most people can get up to 5 seconds. I'm up to 8. Hold the air in your lungs while you count to 5. Now exhale and count again as you are exhaling. The counting relaxes your mind and takes your thought process away from the stress at hand. The breathing slows down your heart rate and calmness spreads throughout your body. When I started using this process daily, I didn't fall asleep until well after 10 repetitions. But now I'm out in 3 repetitions. It's really strange how it works because all of a sudden it's morning and I can't remember how I fell asleep.